Hey there, Lady AI fans. It's your girl Faith back with another self-publishing hack. Today, we're going to dive into the juicy world of keyword research and find the best keywords for your low, high, and medium content, Amazon KDP book niches. And guess what? We're using two badass tools to make it happen. Bookbolt and Self-Publishing Titans. The combination of these two fantastic tools will ensure we only spend our time on high-potential niches. Bookbolt is an amazing niche research tool that has a ton of features to ramp up your research game. It has a tool called Cloud that allows you to easily find emerging trends and hidden niches. Wouldn't it be great to hop onto trending books before they even become mainstream? Bookbolt also offers user-friendly keyword research, which presents Amazon search volumes in real time so you can get ahead of your competitors. Self-Publishing Titans is another great tool that provides self-publishers with many useful tools and resources. The cool thing is that most of their KDP tools are free and you can use them to start or scale your KDP publishing business. I have been using Self-Publishing Titans Chrome extensions to find both low competition niches and keywords. Their most useful Chrome extensions include 1. The Amazon Keyword Suggestion Expander. This extension will make your keyword research a lot easier and faster. Simply start typing in a keyword into the search bar and the tool will very quickly pull up huge amounts of suggested search keywords by Amazon. These are suggestions not shown by Amazon and thereby giving you loads of hidden niches to explore. The number 2 one is the Amazon and KDP Niche Research and Analysis tool. This extension will help you with niche and keyword research by giving you lots of useful data to help you determine if a niche is right for you. This free tool shows you the average bestseller rating, prices, reviews, book results, how many independently published books are listed, and my favorite, a niche score, that will tell you how good a niche might be for you to explore. It is recommended that you strive for scores of 60 and higher, but the lowest score to settle for would be 50. So I'll combine these two amazing tools to find great unsaturated niches. Please find the links to both tools in the description. I'll start from Bookbolt. I like to start from the keyword section. As a Christian, I find myself naturally gravitating to Christian books. So let me use that. I want to use a broad audience and niche down, so let me go with Christian book for boys. So right when the page loads, we'll have these tabs display important information. The first tab shows the Amazon search volume for the keyword. Here we have the Google search volume, the average cost per click, and finally the competition tab, which is determined by the amount of advertisers bidding on a certain keyword. The best keywords are in low competition or no data, which have little data on advertisers. If the search volume is high and this tab shows no data, that's your ideal keyword. I like to filter by search volume, begin from high searches, and work my way down. Boy puberty book Christian, 6,000 Amazon searches. Let's check it out on Amazon. Christian puberty book, select our option and go. 500 results are great since our search volume from Bookbolt was over 6,000. Let's wait for Self-Publishing Titans to populate. Wow, this is a great niche and with just 500 results. So we can check out the top books and analyze them and take a look at their interior pages, not to copy, but to draw inspiration and sort of feed the questions to ask ChatGPT so that we can come up with some great ideas for the Christian puberty book for boys. I will in fact be creating a book from the niche we just got. I will be using ChatGPT and Canva and share with you the entire step-by-step process. So be sure to subscribe and keep the notification bell on so that you'll know when that comes out. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.